How to find the best content of your competitors. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can find the best content for your competitors. So the content that is doing the well or the best for your competitors, you can easily replicate that content. You can take notes from that and drive traffic to your website using their SEO optimization tools. So let's get into it. Now, there are quite a few different platforms that you can choose to get started with analyzing your competitors. And I do say this often that whenever you are trying to optimize a page for SEO, always try to analyze the competitor before you try to rank for a certain keyword. Because if you try to target a keyword that is super difficult to rank for, even though your page might be SEO optimized, you might be doing the best you can for SEO optimization, you're still not going to rank because that page might have, 10,000 backlinks from super high authority websites, and you're never going to be able to replicate that kind of statistic in a short period of time. So to get started, the first tool that I like to get started with is keywordseverywhere.com. So this is a super simple Chrome extension. I have this installed, and what I like to do is I like to search for the content or the type of content that I'm looking to create. Let's say I want to create a fashion blog and I want to create tips on styling. So I'm just going to search for a title article that I might want to create. Let's say I want to create an article on how to style a long dress. Now, what I'm going to do once I search for this kind of item, I will see the top results. So what this tool allows me to do is that this will also show me similar search results related keywords as well as the overall SEO difficulty. Now, what I get with the specific competitor website, so let's say stylemotivation.com, that is the website that I'm targeting. So this will give me an analysis of the top ranking websites and I can see who is my competitor. Now you can see over here on top of the website link, beside that, I will get this little icon and you can hover your mouse over it and this will show you the organic traffic per month that this URL is getting, the total keywords that this URL is ranking for. So the total keywords that this URL is ranking for means that they are ranking for over 34 keywords, and that probably means that they have more keywords in their article. And the organic traffic for the entire website per month, as well as the total keyword that the website ranks for. So you can also see the overall link metrics for Style Motivation. So their domain authority is at 57. The trend is downwards. They have a 6% spam score. They have over 700K in total backlinks, as well as 29,000 referring domain and 128 link prosperity. Now, what you can do is you can click on the website over here. We're going to go to the website domain. And once you have picked out a competitor that you are going to compete with, or you want to analyze because they are on the same spectrum as you in terms of content, you can go into the Ahrefs tool, or you can use this later on, but you can choose the keyword difficulty checker and the website authority checker to just get a better analysis of what you are trying to go up against. Now, after using these two tools for some basic keyword research, I would like you guys to move on to a tool like SimilarWeb.com or SEMRush. So both of these are amazing tools to use, and what you're just going to do is you're going to take the website URL, you're going to copy it, and then you're just going to post it on SimilarWeb.com. You're going to click on search over here. And now what this website will allow you to do is that you will see the global rank, country rank, category rank, and then you can scroll down to see the total visits, the bounce rate, the pages per visit, and the visit duration. Then if you scroll down, you will see the traffic and engagement, as well as the top countries that they are getting visits from, the audience demographic, and the competitors and similar sites. So you can see simply by searching for one competitor, you can analyze the other competitors you have as well. So you can just analyze this website as well, all of these other competitors, and then you will have your marketing channels that they are using. So this website is using direct marketing and social marketing, referrals, and mail. So they have very low search volume results and very low display results. So direct marketing is their top way to generate traffic. And the keyword search traffic, so the top keywords that they are driving traffic from is lighting, visual, and these are easily their top articles. You can just search for this keyword in their website and you will see the related article that they are using, or the actual article that is driving all the traffic, and in this way you will be able to pinpoint the specific article. So gifts, how to use visual, and you can just search for this specific keyword and you will get the overall article related to that. White dress outfit. And after that, below that, you also have referral traffic analysis, outgoing links, technology stacks. So you will be able to better analyze it and get better, insight on the similar competitors. Then you can also use SEMRush. So for SEMRush, you will have to create an account. Once you have created your account, you can just paste the website URL on the top search bar. Now, below that, you will get the authority score, the organic search traffic, as well as backlinks for the website. And then you can scroll down to see the top organic keyword. So nail designs with gem, white skirt outfit. This is an informational topic, and you can see you're getting covered, outdoor, and then you have main organic competitors. So you will have the competitor and the competitive positioning map, as well as other backlink information and top anchors. So stylemotivation.com, Imagefy. So these are the top anchors for this specific website URL and the top referring domains that this website has in terms of backlink. Now, you have their indexed pages. This will allow you to create your own indexed pages with domain referrals as well. And you can see they have cheap incorporation with 3D accounting, style motivation, blog for style motivation, office moving in 6 steps. So these are some of their top indexed pages. And this is just one way to better analyze, the overall site report. So you can see on the left side of your screen, you have other tools that you can use on SEMRush as well. So if you want to analyze the advertising or content marketing that they are doing, you can do that as well. And you can also go ahead and simply get a keyword overview. The keyword overview is going to be the most useful in my opinion. The reason for that is because if keyword overviews are going to be of more help, because keywords provide you with what they are targeting in their content. Keywords give you the analysis to that, and you will be able to better understand a website's target articles or top performing articles simply by their keywords, and you can target the same keywords. That is the purpose of trying to find their top performing articles, because you want to target similar content. So search for their keywords using these tools. Now, I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to use some of these SEO tools and website market analyzer tools to better research for your own website and to get a better estimate of your competitors as well. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.